Shake Your Cake. It's choreographed by Amy Glass and Cody Flowers. It is a 32 count 4 while improver level line dance with a restart on wall 7 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and do 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Shake Your Cake. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to roll our hips counterclockwise from left to right, and as we do that, we're going to put our weight onto our right foot. So we're going to slightly step that right foot to the right side, and you're going to roll your hips around from left to right, and then bump that left hip slightly forward. We're now going to rotate our hips clockwise from right to left, putting our weight onto our left foot, and slightly bump that right hip forward. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, and then shuffle forward with your right, right, forward, left together, right, forward. Let's try that with some counts. Doing your step to the side with your hip roll. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to step your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. We're now going to shuffle back with our left foot, stepping left, back, right together, left, back. We're now going to do 2 walks back, stepping back, right, left, and then you're going to rock back with your right foot and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our shuffle forward. You're stepping to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot and stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to do a crossing shuffle left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our rock back recover. You're doing your side rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do toe and heel switches. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side and hold. You're now going to quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side and hold. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right and put your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and put your left heel forward. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right, and then we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing shuffle. You're going to do your points. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts, weights on your left. You're going to step to the right and roll your hips. So it's step, roll and bump, side together, right, shuffle forward, side together, left, shuffle, back, walk back, back, rock back, recover, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, side, quarter, crossing shuffle, point, hold, switch, point, hold, switch, heel, switch, step, half pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your hip roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the restart's going to happen on wall 7. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance, which is up to your rock back, recover, and then you will start the dance all over from your hip rolls. So let's dance the 16 counts so that you know where it happens, and then we'll go around. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to roll your hips, stepping to the right. It's roll and bump, side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, 2 walks back in your rock back, recover, stop right here. You're now going to restart the dance, hip roll, bump, and that is your only restart in the whole dance. The dance naturally ends facing 12 o'clock after 16 counts. You'll do your rock back recover, and you'll be facing 12 o'clock at that point, so you don't have to worry about an ending. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition into that restart. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our step and roll. So it's step, roll and bump, side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, 2 walks back, rock back, recover, side rock, crossing shuffle, side quarter crossing shuffle. Now your point, hold step, heel step, step, half pivot, roll your hip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Roll and bump, side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, 2 walks back, rock back, recover, side rock crossing shuffle, side quarter crossing shuffle. Now your point, hold step, heel step, step, half pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Roll and bump, side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, walk back, rock back, recover, side rock, crossing shuffle, side quarter crossing shuffle, point, hold switch, point, hold switch, heel switch, step, half pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 16 counts. Roll and bump, side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, 2 walks back, rock back, recover, restart the dance, roll your hip, bump, roll and bump, side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, 2 walks back, rock back, recover, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, side quarter crossing shuffle. Now your point, hold step, heel step, step, half pivot. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully dance this on the dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Shake Your Cake. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. I have been watching